All right, today I have a Maserati Grecale, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this Maserati Grecale. I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, let's get started on this. Now, inside the Maserati Grecale, in order to turn on the parking brake, I have my vehicle in park. That's what I keep it at. And the vehicle's on. And I am going to press down on the brake with my foot. You see that? Press down on the brake on my foot, right? And then I am going to go to the left side of the vehicle. And you see this button right here. This button right here is for the parking brake. Now, in order to turn it on, my foot is on the brake. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to take my finger and slide it into the slot right here. And then I'm going to curve my finger up right here, and then I'm going to pull back like that. You see that? So put it in the slot, curve my finger, pull back, and the parking brake comes on. You see this light? It shows the light on here. But more importantly, it shows on the instrument panel right there, brake. Okay, so that's brake. And that's indicated that the parking brake is on. Now to turn it off, I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Now my vehicle's still in park. I'm going to take my foot off of the brake, foot brake, and see what I do. I come up here and I'm going to press this. This is the motion that you would do, is press it to turn it off, but it won't turn off. And why? Because it says, read what it says. It says brake. Here, I'm going to show you again. It says, well, it came up on the screen. It says, in order to turn it off, you have to put your foot on the brake. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foot on the foot brake, and I'm going to come right here and I'm going to press this, and it turns off. And that parking brake sign right over there went off just like that. And now I'm ready to roll. Now, that is one way to do it. You should check your owner's manual so you know specifically other ways on how you can turn it off. Generally, a lot of cars, when the parking brake is on, if you put it in gear and drive off, the parking brake will disengage. All right, so read your owner's manual. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.